In this video, I will show you how to connect Disney Plus to your TV. So the first step is to simply tap on the home button on your remote. So as you can see on mine, it looks something similar to this. So basically when you tap on this button, basically you're gonna get redirected to the TV's menu. Now, on new smart TVs, you should have Disney Plus pre-installed with Netflix and Prime Video, but if you can find the Disney Plus app in your TV menu, you're gonna have to simply open the TV's store, app store, and basically search for Disney Plus and simply install it on your TV. Now, as I said earlier, on new smart TVs, you have this pre-installed on it. Now, you're gonna have to simply select it using your remote and then simply open it. And then basically, you're gonna have to simply select login, and then basically you're gonna have to simply enter your account info, or if you want, you can sign up directly in the app. You can create a new account, and basically that's all you have to do in order to connect Disney Plus to your TV. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.